Man, y'all been trying to figure out this crazy ass sound coming from the V, like a loud chirping noise. I originally thought it was the brakes. I already needed new brakes, so I was like, well, might as well switch them out, and hopefully that's it. And sure enough, change them out. That wasn't it. So I was like, okay, maybe it's the exhaust. Looked at the exhaust, didn't really see nothing. Checked every bolt that I could get to on the car, made sure everything was tight. Couldn't figure out, checked the dang wheel hubs, everything. Even took it to a mechanic that I know. He couldn't find nothing. He's thinking it's a vacuum leak. I didn't went down a damn rabbit hole online. I'm thinking I might need a new lifters and everything, and head gasket. I'm like, oh my gosh, like where's this coming from? Because it makes a noise when I hit the throttle only. So I'm thinking like, wow, the car is stock and it's already messed up. Like, it's just crazy. But I think I found the issue. So now that I got this car from the ramps, I'm gonna go through the exhaust modes because I believe that's where I'm hearing it when I switch to exhaust mode. So I'm gonna put the camera back underneath over there and go through it and see if that's what it is. So I'm sure you guys can hear that chirping noise. It's a lot louder in person than hearing it in the video. Like, it's pretty loud. Like, it overpowers the exhaust. So it is making that noise when I go through the exhaust mode. So it has to be that little flange or valve in there. So I'm gonna hit it with some oil and hopefully that does the trick. All right, y'all, so the noise is gone. I'm gonna show y'all what I did. Hold on. So after I thought I had it figured out, I got a little scared actually because I originally sprayed that exhaust valve thing that opens and closes inside the exhaust right there. I don't know if you can see that. So I sprayed that real good, went through the exhaust mode and it was still making a loud noise. And I was like, well, damn. You know, it's an exhaust leak. So what I ended up doing was I came up under where the little, what this little thing is called, but the little mechanism that comes stock in the car that turns that valve inside the exhaust, right in between that little, this piece right here, spray right in there. And that's what did the trick. No more noise. That extremely loud noise is gone. So that'll do it.